Get ready to make your home sparkle. In this video, we'll show you 17 cleaning and organization products on Amazon. Let's get started. This package includes two 24-cell sock organizers, each compartment measuring 2.1 by 3.15 by 3.54 inches. It's ideal for storing crew socks, thin socks, panties, and more, allowing you to see all your options at a glance. Crafted from premium quality fabric, these organizers resist scratching and tearing, offering superior durability compared to non-woven alternatives. Measuring 12.6 inches square and 3.54 inches high, these dividers fit perfectly in most drawers. They're designed to maximize space in closets, wardrobes, and cabinets, helping you quickly find matching socks and underwear. This garbage can combines cutting-edge technology with practical design to elevate your waste management experience. Simply wave your hand and the lid opens automatically, protecting you from germs lurking on trash can surfaces. It's the perfect solution for maintaining a hygienic kitchen or bathroom environment. Say goodbye to unpleasant odors. The included AbsorbX odor filter effectively absorbs and neutralizes trash smells, keeping your home fresh and clean. It's ideal for kitchens, bathrooms, and even as a diaper pail. This versatile organizer features a sliding basket for easy access in tight spaces, perfect for storing sponges and other cleaning tools. The stackable design allows you to maximize vertical space. Simply buy two sets and stack them for double the storage. Just put the baskets together and watch your under-sink area transform into an organized oasis. Crafted from sturdy metal with a classic chrome finish, this organizer is both durable and stylish. Measuring 16.7 inches deep, 10.8 inches wide, and 10.2 inches high, it's designed to fit comfortably in most under-sink cabinets. This fabric spray harnesses the power of plant-based ingredients to eliminate odors without harsh chemicals. Versatile and effective, it's perfect for refreshing upholstery, curtains, carpets, clothing, shoes, and even pet bedding. Simply spray directly onto fabrics to target unwanted smells, with an extra spritz for stubborn odors. Safety is key with Fresh Wave. This non-toxic spray is safe for people, pets, and the planet, giving you peace of mind as you maintain an odor-free home. It's especially perfect for refreshing bedding, pillows, and sleep spaces, helping you create the ideal environment for a peaceful night's rest. Designed in sleek ebony and chrome, this adjustable double rod literally doubles your closet's hanging capacity. It easily hangs from your standard closet rod, requiring no complicated installation or tools. The beauty of this system lies in its flexibility. Adjust the bottom rod to your preferred height, accommodating longer items dresses on top and shorter pieces like shirts or pants below. It's perfect for creating a neat, organized appearance in any closet. Whether you're dealing with a small apartment closet or just want to make the most of your existing space, the Whitmor double closet rod offers great value. Transform your bathroom into a luxurious spa-like retreat with Cornucopia soap dispensers. These stainless steel and glass dispensers offer an upscale look without the high-end price tag. Each value pack includes two clear 16-ounce glass bottles with brushed silver pump tops, perfect for creating a uniform, elegant appearance. Standing 9 inches tall, these versatile dispensers aren't just for soap. Use them for lotions, shampoos, essential oils, or even kitchen ingredients. Crafted from lead-free glass with BPA-free plastic components, these dispensers are as safe as they are stylish. The durable construction ensures they're perfect for frequent refills and daily use. This effective cleaner cuts through grease, dirt, and grime on most hard surfaces, from kitchen counters to bathroom tiles. With 6% vinegar acidity, it's tough on stains but gentle on your home. Made with simple, plant-based ingredients, including premium U.S.-grown spearmint oil, Mighty Mint offers a mild, minty fragrance that's a pleasant departure from harsh chemical odors. Safe for use around family and pets when used as directed, this cleaner leaves behind no harmful residues, just a clean, fresh scent. Say goodbye to tangled cables and cluttered spaces with the DMoose Cable Management Box. This sleek solution transforms messy cable nests into organized, hidden storage, instantly improving the look of your home or office. More than just a box, it's a safety upgrade for your space. No more tripping hazards or exposed cords tempting pets to chew. Simply place your power strip inside, route cables through the side slots, and close the lid for a cleaner, safer environment. The DMoose box doesn't just hide cables, it enhances your decor with its modern design. Built to last, it features non-slip feet for stability and a secure locking clip. Transform your tired, stained grout lines with the Rainbow Chalk Markers Limited Grout Pen. This solution offers a quick and easy way to refresh your tiles without the hassle of scrubbing or regrouting. Ideal for kitchens, bathrooms, and any tiled area, this pen covers up to 150 feet of thin grout with its long-lasting water-based ink. The non-toxic formula effectively hides grubby stains, making your grout look brand new again. Easy to use and mess-free, simply apply the white, mold-resistant paint directly to your grout lines. The waterproof finish ensures durability in high-moisture areas. This wall-mounted rack features a compact design that fits easily into small areas, yet packs a big punch when it comes to storage. With 6 tiers, it can hold up to 8 towels, keeping them neatly displayed and easily accessible. But this versatile rack isn't just for towels. Use it to showcase your wine collection or hang hats and other accessories. The rounded hooks ensure your items remain damage-free, whether you're hanging plush towels or delicate fabrics. Measuring 38.3 inches long, 6.8 inches wide, and 5.9 inches deep, this sleek rack makes efficient use of vertical space. Its patented design, recognized by the U.S. Patent Office, combines style and functionality. This powerful cleaner targets limescale and mineral deposits that accumulate over time, affecting your dishwasher's performance and leaving your dishes less than sparkling. Recommended by top appliance brands like Whirlpool, KitchenAid, and Maytag, Affresh cleans areas you can't see, from the tub and racks to the pump, valve, and hoses. It even descales your dishes and glassware for a brilliant shine. Using Affresh is effortless. Simply pop in a tablet once a month and let it work its magic. For heavily soiled machines, an extra cycle may be needed. Say goodbye to single-use mop pads and hello to the eco-friendly, efficient Turbo Microfiber Reusable Floor Mop Pads. These versatile cleaning companions are designed to make your floor care routine easier and more sustainable. Featuring extra-thick microfibers with a loop design, these pads effortlessly trap dirt, dust, and pet hair when dry sweeping and absorb moisture when wet mopping. No more forgotten debris or messy wringing, just clean, sparkling floors. The best part? They're completely washable. After each use, simply toss them in the washing machine and they're ready for your next cleaning session. Crafted from durable canvas with a sturdy iron frame, this caddy features multiple storage options. With 1 large pocket, 2 small pockets, 2 mesh pockets, and 2 hooks, there's a place for everything you need within arm's reach. What sets this caddy apart is its all-round encirclement design. Unlike similar products, the entire metal frame is covered, ensuring stability and preventing tilting. This thoughtful feature makes the Loghot caddy more durable and reliable. The caddy easily attaches to bed frames, chair arms, or crib rails less than 1.97 inches in diameter. This clever double-sided organizer features 80 soft, clear vinyl pockets, 40 on each side, keeping your precious pieces protected and visible. Measuring 16.5 inches wide by 31 inches high, it's perfect for hanging in closets, on doors, or walls. The transparent PVC windows let you easily view your collection without removing items, making selection effortless. Say goodbye to tangled necklaces and misplaced earrings. Each piece has its own spot. Durable and stylish, this organizer comes with a hanger for easy setup. Whether you're storing rings, bracelets, or necklaces, this versatile organizer has you covered. Made from diatomaceous earth, this fast-drying stone absorbs water quickly, ensuring your bathroom or kitchen surfaces stay neat and tidy. The tray is versatile and has a wide range of uses. In the bathroom, it's perfect for holding soap, water cups, soap dispensers, or makeup bottles. In the kitchen, place it by the sink to keep soaps and sponges organized, while keeping countertops dry. Cleaning the tray is simple. Just rinse with water and wipe with a sponge, then let it air dry. For stubborn stains, gently rubbing with sandpaper or using a bit of detergent will do the trick. Add a touch of rustic charm and functionality to your home with the chic ZGO Floating Shelves. Perfect for bathroom decor and storage, these pine wood shelves feature a sturdy metal frame with protective guards and a handy towel rack, making them an ideal choice for organizing bathroom essentials, kitchen spices, or decorative items in any living space. Designed with versatility in mind, these multi-purpose floating shelves provide extra storage while enhancing the decor of various rooms. Whether it's in the bathroom, kitchen, or living area, these elegant shelves offer both style and practicality. Made from durable, rust-proof 304 stainless steel, this heavy-duty organizer can securely hold up to 30 pounds with screws or up to 8 pounds with self-adhesive installation. Its non-slip, double rubber grip design prevents scratches while ensuring a strong and secure hold on all your items. Designed to save space and declutter, this wall-mounted organizer features 5 racks and 4 hooks, perfect for hanging brooms, mops, rakes, garden tools, and more. The additional hooks provide convenient space for extra items, helping you efficiently use wall space while keeping everything neat and tidy.